MobiMatter ESim review. Is it worth using now? Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today's video will take a look at MobiMatter platform. So I'll share my own experience of using the eSIM. If you don't want to use physical eSIM, if you don't want to buy it, I definitely recommend you to try this platform. So all the steps are quite simple. As any eSIM apps, you need to download the app, find the necessary destination and package, then just simply install an eSIM, and all you want and need to do is to enjoy high-speed connection after that. So it's highly marked on the Trustpilot. Almost all reviews are quite good, and all you need to do is basically compare all the plans. So as for me, all the covering options on the different eSIM platforms are the same, but what's more important is that we need to check is our country supported by MobiMatter or other platforms. So not all the countries are supported, and then you need to compare all the prices. So you can open the website here, then find, let's say that we want to travel to Europe, then we can find different regions, or we can compare the all Europe prices. So a lot of basically operators here we can find the different filters, 10 gigabytes more, let's say, 1 month or more, and different prices. So basically we can discover all the prices, and as you can see, prices are not that low because it could be a little bit cheaper on other websites. So I definitely recommend you to check it by your own. In this case, you'll be able to find the best discounts, to find the best options to interact with it. So definitely now the main option is, of course, the price. So because covering is the same. So is it worth using? Definitely yes. It's possible to find the better price. Just use it. So hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe. Goodbye.